My name is Yogesh Kumar. I'm the general manager of Madinat Al Bahar Hotel in Zanzibar. First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. President and I appreciate his work during the last 10-year time period, which I want to congratulate to him and I would give my appreciation to him. Like he has worked for the different sectors, I would like to take consideration of the first for the investment purpose. And like Zipa earlier, the process was lengthy. Nowadays, there's a Zipa processing company. It has been started for this thing and to attract the investors as well. He has done a lot of work for this regarding, like he simplified the process. Earlier, when it used to take a long time period, now it's been completed in the 3 days of time period. It is a fantastic work which I really appreciate for this. Second, this is very much important for the investors and the person who is doing the business in the Zanzibar is simplifying the tax structure. Earlier, it was a higher tax structure, but we really appreciate the work of the investors to attract the people and simplify and make the life little easy for the investors and the industrialists. We simplify the tax structure in that way. I really appreciate the task for this thing because during this COVID time period, which everybody wants to have a relief, so he has done an incredible job uh, for simplifying the tax system, and he understands the burden of the industrialist and the corporate segment, so that it can be able to help him to boost up the things, and they will give a motivation from the government to do the completed task. Another part which I have observed in this during my tenure as well and during the last 1 year time period, uh, must appreciate the work it's been understood by the government, the social cause of the things. We motivate the local peoples to get the vaccinated to take care of their health as well. So people has been motivated and has been asked by the government so that they can take a vaccine so they can be safe by themselves, their families, which is very much important. Apart from this, which I observe, now people feel free here. Even the expats also feel comfortable while working over there, and local people they are more satisfied, comfortable. They are enjoying their life as well. Though it's a pandemic situation, also still keep on going on. But when we see the life of the normal people, I really appreciate the task for these things to make the local people's life easy, comfortable, and secure themselves. And I must appreciate that work by the Honorable President. As a lot of task has been completed during his tenure for the development of the infrastructure of the community sector as well as the development of the Zanzibar city itself. One of the fine live example is the international airport. Now, the kind of international airport came up is a fantastic one, which though I have traveled for different countries as well. So it's meeting at par the standard of all the international travelers, which is very much important because Zanzibar itself is based on the more or less based on the economy of the tourism sector. To develop the tourism sector, airport where the people just landed for this thing, they require the best thing. So now the airport is coming up, and soon it will be in operation, in a fully, completely operation. That is a fantastic and appreciated job. Another thing they say for the development of the tourism activities, his ministers has conducted a couple of meetings with me as well, and I meet with the tourism minister as well and the sports ministry as well, where they appreciate the task and they are motivating the other sectors, travel agents, so that they can bring the people here, bring the travel agent here, and they can do the marketing as well. So at the moment, which I see earlier it was not there, but now which I see there's a lot of tourism sector has been promoted with the different areas, like in Dubai, like in Russia, like in Europe, even for the India as well. So more of the tourists are getting attracted towards this place. So airport is one of the major thing which has been done it so that the people can get a glimpse of the development of the society, development of the infrastructure also has been considered by the government itself. At last, I will really thankful to the Honorable President because he provided good infrastructure, good living, secure, and people are living in peace. Though I'm an expat here, I'm working. I have worked in a different country. I feel Zanzibar as my home. I met so many expats also. They also appreciate the things. They are living their life enjoyably, they are peacefully. And for this, I really appreciate the work done by the present government and the Honorable President. I am from the hospitality sector. My work is related to the tourism sector. My as such, we are working with the hotel industry. To promote the hotel industry and the tourism sector, I will appreciate that work of Mr. President. He's been promoting the tourism sector throughout the globe, every country. For that reason, you can see the difference in that. There's a lot of airways have been introduced and added. They have increased their frequency in Zanzibar, which is, I can say, that's a compared to the last year and this year, you can see that's a increment of the tourism, how many travelers are visiting to the Zanzibar. It is going to be the fantastic things, and it will boost up the economy of the country as well, and itself the economy, and give the relief to the tourism industry which has been suffered during this pandemic time period. I really appreciate and I'm very thankful from the fraternity of hospitality industry, Mr. President. Thank you very much.